Alright, so to save you some hassle of watching me basically try to figure out which ones is right, I put these hinges on here and I bolted them to it. To that. Alright, now to put these together. These here cross beam majiggies. Alright. Yeah, I guess the ghost decided to visit us. Alright. Now drop the screw and pick it back up.
We are assembling a futon.
Yeah, we're assembling a sofa bed. I didn't know what it wanted to be. I didn't know if it wanted to be a bed or if it wanted to be a sofa. So I decided, yeah, I'll just be both. Call myself a futon. Okay, this one I think. Alright. That's one cross beam ready. Let's put another cross beam together. Yeah, sure, yeah. This is, if you get a kick out of watching me doing this, I mean, you must like slow TV then. Yeah, this is just like big enough just to make it just take a little while. Because pretty much you do the same thing twice, one for each side. But once you get past the small little annoying parts, then actually I'll probably get going a bit.